Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel which is Explore Yourselves, Banking and General Knowledge etc. Please subscribe to the channel and also please do like and share and leave your suggestions in the comment section. Today I will discuss various case studies related to the internal promotion examination for banks. Today marks part 8 of my Path to the Corner Office series. Parts 1 through 7 have already been published and are available for interested individuals to explore. Bank promotion exams are the pathway for banking professionals to pursue career growth and advancement within the banking sector. Each public sector bank organizes these exams internally, allowing individuals to demonstrate their skills, secure higher positions, and benefit from increased responsibilities and rewards. Bank promotion exams are organized by banks and financial institutions to evaluate, identify, and promote deserving employees to higher roles within the bank's hierarchy. These exams are usually structured to assess candidates' knowledge, skills, and competencies in various aspects of banking operations, management, finance, and customer service. While the format of the bank promotion exam may differ from one bank to another, it typically consists of written tests and interviews. The Bank of India has announced the promotion examination notification for the transition from clerical cadre to the general banking officers cadre, junior management grade scale 1. Additionally, promotions for officers moving from their current scale to a higher scale have also been released. I am sharing some important case studies that may assist eligible candidates. Customer Relationship Management (CRM) in banks. Case study example: State Bank of India's Customer Outreach Program. Focus. This case explores how SBI improved its CRM by launching a customer outreach initiative to resolve grievances, understand customer needs, and promote customer-centric services. Key learnings: Importance of customer feedback loops, personal relationship managers for high-value clients, and the impact of grievance redressal on customer loyalty. Case study example: ICICI Bank's 24/7 customer support. Focus examines the establishment of digital and phone banking support to handle customer queries promptly and round the clock. Key learnings: Digital customer service, AI powered chatbots, and quick response teams' role in enhancing customer experience. Axis Bank reducing customer churn through feedback mechanisms. Summary: Axis Bank implemented regular feedback loops and customer surveys to understand pain points and improve services. By identifying and addressing common issues like service delays and lack of product clarity, Axis reduced customer churn rates. This case shows how actionable customer feedback can improve retention and satisfaction. Axis Bank reducing customer churn. Kotak Mahindra Wealth Management CRM for HNIs, high net worth individuals. Detailed insights focusing on HNIs. Kotak Mahindra's CRM integrates wealth management services with personalized relationship managers who provide continuous support and exclusive services. Their tailored approach allows HNIs to access unique investment products, enjoy priority customer service, and maintain strong relationships with financial advisors. This strategy demonstrates the significance of segmentation in CRM, especially for banks aiming to retain affluent clients who value exclusive and high-touch services. ICICI Bank Personalized Digital Engagement. Detailed insights: ICICI Bank developed a digital CRM platform that uses artificial intelligence (AI) and machine learning (ML) algorithms to provide personalized financial advice, identify high-value customers, and offer relevant products. The bank leveraged data from spending habits, account activity, and product usage to tailor offerings like investment advice, insurance, and loan products. This not only increased customer satisfaction but also boosted cross-selling opportunities. This case illustrates the importance of leveraging AI in CRM to foster loyalty and achieve higher engagement levels, especially as customer expectations for personalized banking experiences grow. RBL Bank Customer Centric Branch Design Details. RBL Bank redesigned branches to focus on customer experience by providing relaxed seating, private meeting spaces, and interactive kiosks for self-service. By making branches more welcoming, RBL achieved higher satisfaction and increased in branch foot traffic. This case underlines the value of a customer-focused branch experience in driving engagement. Risk management and NPA handling. Case study example: Punjab National Bank's approach to high NPAs. Focus analyzes PNB's responses to rising NPAs through credit monitoring, restructuring loans, and recovery action plans. Key learnings: strategies in early detection of defaults, loan restructuring measures, and collaboration with asset reconstruction companies (ARCs). Case study example: Yes Bank and risk overall after NPA surge. Focus discusses Yes Bank's restructuring and proactive risk management approach in response to a spike in NPAs. Key learnings: the need for robust risk assessment frameworks, enhanced credit appraisal, and better risk diversification. Bank of Baroda proactive NPA monitoring with digital tools. Summary: Bank of Baroda used predictive analytics and AI-driven credit monitoring to track early signs of potential defaults. This proactive approach allowed Bank of Baroda to initiate remedial measures early, reducing potential NPAs. This case emphasizes the importance of technology in strengthening risk management practices. Bank of Baroda focused NPA recovery strategy with ARCs. Detailed insights: Bank of Baroda collaborated with asset reconstruction companies (ARCs) to upload a portion of its stressed assets. This partnership reduced the cost and burden of managing bad loans directly while allowing Bank of Baroda to focus on core banking activities. The bank also established specialized NPA recovery branches staffed with experts in asset recovery and legal procedures to streamline the process. This approach shows how leveraging ARCs and creating dedicated recovery teams can reduce NPAs and improve asset quality over time. IDBI Bank Asset Reconstruction and NPA Recovery. Summary: faced with high NPAs, IDBI Bank sold a portion of its trade assets to asset reconstruction companies (ARCs) and improved its recovery mechanisms. By reducing direct NPA management costs, the bank achieved better asset health. This case demonstrates how strategic partnerships with ARCs can aid in NPA recovery. Axis Bank AI-driven credit monitoring for early detection of NPAs. Detailed insights: Axis Bank's AI-driven monitoring system uses data patterns and predictive analytics to assess potential risks within its loan portfolio. By analyzing transaction behavior, repayment history, and industry trends, Axis could detect early signs of financial distress in borrowers, allowing the bank to initiate preventive measures such as loan restructuring or additional financial counseling. This proactive NPA management approach has become crucial as banks face increasing scrutiny over loan defaults and asset quality. IDFC First Bank comprehensive risk audits for MSME loans. Details: IDFC First Bank focused on the MSME sector where NPAs are typically high. They implemented a risk audit framework through evaluation and monitoring, especially in volatile industries. The framework included regular financial check-ins and industry-specific risk assessments, leading to a reduction in MSME-related NPAs. This case highlights specialized risk practices tailored to high-risk sectors. Credit appraisal and loan management. Case study example: HDFC Bank's credit appraisal system for corporate loans. Focus delves into HDFC Bank's credit analysis approach, particularly for high-value corporate clients. Key learnings: due diligence in credit appraisal, sector-based risk assessments, and monitoring post-loan disbursement. Case study example: the DHFL loan fraud case. Focus: DHFL's credit process and the lapses that led to substantial NPA and fraud issues. Key learnings: highlights the importance of background checks, loan auditing, and the necessity for a robust credit committee. State Bank of India retail loan digitization. Summary: SBI streamlined its retail loan processes through digital documentation, credit scoring, and e-verification. By reducing processing times and improving credit evaluation, the bank saw a 20% increase in retail loan disbursements. This case shows the impact of digitization in speeding up loan approvals while maintaining credit quality. LIC Housing Finance, affordable housing loans and risk assessment. Summary: LIC Housing Finance Affordable Housing Program focuses on lower income groups with customized risk assessment models. Their models considers alternative data like payment history with utilities to evaluate credit worthiness in segments with limited credit history. This study highlights how a specialized credit assessment can enable lending to underserved segments. Union Bank of India digitization of MSME loan process. Detailed insights: Union Bank of India developed an end-to-end digital lending platform that allows MSMEs to apply for loans online, upload documents digitally, and track application status in real time. The credit appraisal uses digital data and third-party credit scores, allowing quicker turnaround times and reducing manual errors. This case exemplifies how digitizing the loan process not only makes loan disbursement faster but also minimizes operational risk and improves transparency, which is crucial for MSME borrowers with limited access to traditional lending channels. HDFC Bank project finance and risk appraisal for large infrastructure projects. Detailed insights: HDFC Bank uses a multi-layered appraisal process to evaluate large-scale infrastructure projects, which are often high risk due to lengthy timelines and dependency on regulatory approvals. The bank examines cash flow projections, stress test project assumptions, and considers political risks. By implementing stringent checks at each stage, HDFC Bank maintains a balanced approach to financing while reducing default risk. This case highlights the need for a robust, comprehensive appraisal model for high-value projects where risk can be significant. Bank of Maharashtra priority lending to agriculture and rural sectors. Details: the bank developed a priority lending framework for the agricultural sector using local agricultural data and expert consultations to assess creditworthiness. This localized approach helped minimize defaults and strengthen rural outreach. This case is a practical example of how rural sector lending requires unique appraisal methods. Digital banking and fintech integration. Case study example: Kotak Mahindra Bank's digital wallet innovation. Focus: Kotak's implementation of 811 digital banking for a fully digital account opening and online transactions. Key learnings: increasing customer acquisition through digital channels, fintech integration for mobile wallets, and the rise of virtual banking services. Case study example: HDFC Bank and the UPI ecosystem. Focus: how HDFC expanded it into the UPI ecosystem, partnering with popular UPI platforms to offer seamless payment services. Key learnings: the importance of mobile payments, customer convenience, and competitive advantage through technology adoption. IndusInd Bank AI and machine learning for customer personalization. Detailed insights: IndusInd Bank has developed a personalized recommendation engine using AI and ML to offer financial products tailored to customer profiles like credit cards with customized benefits and savings plans aligned with spending habits. This initiative has increased customer engagement by ensuring each customer receives suggestions that align closely with their needs. This approach emphasizes how AI-driven personalization in digital banking improves customer retention and enhances the overall banking experience. Federal Bank blockchain integration for remittances. Summary: Federal Bank utilized blockchain technology for cross-border remittances, reducing transaction times and improving security. By partnering with a blockchain provider, the bank streamlined processes for its NRI customers. This case shows the operational efficiency and security benefits of blockchain in international banking transactions. Yes Bank digital marketplace for loan products. Detailed insights. Yes Bank's marketplace is an integrated platform where customers can view, compare, and apply for loan products without visiting a branch. The platform includes digital credit checks and integrates with third-party credit scoring services to offer nearly instant loan decisions. This case illustrates how digital marketplaces increase accessibility to loan products, reduce processing times, and boost customer acquisitions, making it ideal for banks focused on expanding their retail loan portfolio. ICICI Bank AI chatbots for 24/7 customer support. Details: ICICI Bank implemented AI chatbots for around the clock assistance covering over 100 common customer queries. This automation reduced wait times and increased efficiency in handling large customer volumes. The case highlights how AI can enhance customer service by handling repetitive queries and freeing up human resources. Financial inclusion and rural banking. Case study example: Union Bank of India's SHG model. Focus: Union Bank's self-help group SHG model to enhance financial inclusion in rural areas. Key learnings: effective outreach through microfinance and SHG collaborations, training rural staff and using local resources for banking literacy. Case study example: Bank of Baroda and the PMJDY drive. Focus: Bank of Baroda's aggressive drive to expand PMJDY accounts, especially in under, underserved communities. Key learnings: strategies in mass account openings, financial literacy programs, and overcoming challenges in reaching remote areas. Canara Bank mobile banking vans for rural outreach. Summary: Canara Bank introduced mobile banking vans equipped with ATMs and customer service representatives to reach remote areas without branches. The vans provided services like account opening, cash deposits, and withdrawals, significantly improving access in underserved areas. This case emphasizes the role of mobility in achieving financial inclusion. Grameen Bank Microcredit Model and Financial Inclusion. Summary: Grameen Bank's microcredit model, pioneered by Dr. Mohammad Yunus, focuses on providing small loans to the rural poor without collateral. This innovative model has helped reduce poverty and improve living standards in rural communities. This case exemplifies how microfinance can transform economic opportunities for low income individuals. Ujjivan Small Finance Bank Microbanking for the Urban Poor. Detailed insights: Ujjivan's microfinance model combines small value loans with intensive customer education. Loan officers conduct workshops on financial literacy and responsible borrowing to help customers understand repayment obligations, reducing delinquency rates. This case highlights the impact of financial education in ensuring that low income segments not only access credit but also use it responsibly, a vital component of sustainable financial inclusion. Bank of Baroda mobile banking vans in rural areas. Detailed insights: Bank of Baroda introduced mobile banking vans equipped with ATMs, mobile banking applications, and staff who could perform KYC and help customers with account management in remote villages. By bringing banking services directly to the customer's doorstep, Bank of Baroda has made banking accessible in areas without branch coverage. This mobile banking model showcases the importance of outreach in financial inclusion strategies. Bank of India doorstep banking for the elderly and disabled. Details: Bank of India launched a doorstep banking service targeting elderly and disabled customers in rural areas, offering cash withdrawals and deposits through mobile vans. The program received positive feedback, highlighting the role of accessibility in driving financial inclusion. Compliance and regulatory practices. Case study example: ICICI Bank's KYC compliance overall. Focus: ICICI's strict implementation of KYC protocols to ensure compliance and prevent fraud. Key learnings: benefits of strict KYC guidelines, risk reduction in customer onboarding, and challenges in maintaining KYC in digital banking. Case study example: HSBC's money laundering compliance case. Focus: HSBC's response to money laundering cases and its enhanced due diligence and reporting protocols. Key learnings: anti-money laundering controls, importance of automated transaction monitoring, and training bank employees in compliance. Standard Chartered, enhancing AML, anti-money laundering compliance through automation. Detailed insights: after facing regulatory fines, Standard Chartered automated its AML processes through real-time transaction monitoring, which flags suspicious transactions based on patterns and thresholds. The bank also implemented AI model to learn from past data, further refining detection capabilities. This case illustrates how automation in compliance not only ensures adherence to AML norms but also mitigates risk associated with human oversight and manual processes. Deutsche Bank, Libor manipulation case and regulatory lessons. Summary: Deutsche Bank faced significant fines after being implicated in the Libor rate manipulation scandal. The bank restructured its compliance department, implemented stricter internal controls, and adopted ethical guidelines to prevent future incidents. This case underscores the importance of ethical compliance and the consequences of regulatory violations. HDFC Bank AML compliance through real-time monitoring. Details: HDFC Bank implemented real-time transaction monitoring system that flagged suspicious activities automatically. This change helped HDFC comply with AML regulations more effectively, minimizing regulatory risks. It underscores the importance of advanced monitoring tools in ensuring compliances. HDFC Bank compliance with RBI cybersecurity framework. Detailed insights: in response to RBI's cybersecurity guidelines, HDFC Bank upgraded its security protocols with stronger firewalls, two-factor authentication for online banking, and frequent security audits. The bank also runs cybersecurity awareness program for employees and customers. This case highlights how aligning with regulatory frameworks not only prevents cyber incidents but also strengthens customers' trust in digital banking services. Kotak Mahindra compliance with RBI's data localization policy. Details: following RBI's data localization mandate, Kotak Mahindra brought customer data storage onshore. This shift involved setting up local servers and aligning with national data policies. This case illustrates the challenges banks faced in adapting to changing regulatory requirements and highlights the necessity for compliance flexibility. Human resource and staff management. Case study example: Axis Bank's employee engagement and training program. Focus examines how Axis Bank built a training and development program to enhance employee performance. Key learnings: the role of professional development, employee motivation techniques, and retention tech through a performance linked bonus system. Case study example: Bank of India's HR practices for remote area staff. Focus managing HR for employees in rural or remote areas, including challenges in recruitment, training, and retention. Key learnings: the importance of offering incentives, rural exposure for new recruits, and methods to boost morale in challenging conditions. ICICI Bank Women Leadership Program. Summary: ICICI launched a leadership program focused on promoting women into leadership roles. The program includes mentorship, leadership workshops, and flexible work policies to support career advancement for women. This case demonstrates the positive effects of diversity focused HR programs in fostering talent and innovation. SBI performance linked incentives in branches. Summary: SBI implemented performance linked incentives in rural and semi urban branches, trying bonuses to business growth and customer satisfaction metrics. The initiative led to higher employee engagement and a 15% improvement in branch performance. This case highlights the role of incentivization in improving productivity and branch level results. SBI mentorship program for new employees. Details: SBI implemented a mentorship program where senior employees guided new recruits through their initial years. The program resulted in improved employee satisfaction and reduced turnover. This case shows how mentorship can improve job satisfaction and integrate new employees more effectively. SBI skill development programs for rural staff. Detailed insights: SBI introduced skill development initiatives specifically for employees in rural and semi-urban branches. These programs included training in digital banking tools, customer handling, and local language proficiency, which increased employee confidence and service quality in rural areas. This case shows how tailored HR initiatives can address unique challenges faced by rural banking staff, improving overall services levels and staff morale. Axis Bank performance improvement through gamified training. Details: Axis Bank introduced gamified training sessions to make learning engaging and to track employees' progress. The gamification approach improved knowledge retention and motivated employees. This case demonstrates innovative ways to conduct employees training, resulting in better performance outcomes. Marketing strategies in banking. Case study example: SBI's youth-centric YONO app campaign. Focus: marketing strategy of SBI's YONO app to attract younger to savvy customers. Key learnings: effective use of digital campaigns, social media promotions, and customer outreach to drive adoption among younger demographics. Case study example: ICICI Bank's rural marketing approach. Focus: ICICI's initiative to target rural customers with specialized products and services. Key learnings: product customization, multilingual marketing strategies, and leveraging rural influencers. Kotak Mahindra Bank social media campaign for 811 account. Summary: Kotak Mahindra's marketing strategy for its 811 digital savings accounts focused on social media and influencer marketing, particularly targeting younger audiences. The company increased brand visibility and brought in a large number of new digital customers. This case exemplifies the success of targeted digital marketing in banking. HDFC Bank rural banking marketing and product customization. Summary: HDFC Bank's rural marketing strategy involved customization of products like crop loans and micro insurance and local language advertising. They collaborated with local influencers to build trust in rural markets, which resulted in substantial growth in rural customer acquisition. This case shows the effectiveness of region specific marketing and product customization in rural banking. Punjab National Bank localized campaign for regional products. Details: PNB used vernacular advertising and partnerships with local influencers to promote their crop insurance and loan products in rural areas. This targeted approach helped them capture a large rural market share. The case highlights the importance of regional customization in marketing for rural customers. PNB Regional Marketing for Co-op Loans. Detailed insights: PNB used vernacular media and partnerships with local agricultural influencers to promote its crop loans, micro insurance, and rural savings accounts. The campaign, the conducted during harvest season, emphasized product relevance to local farmers, increasing rural customer acquisitions. This case highlighting the importance of aligning marketing campaigns with local needs and timing for greater impact. Yes Bank Sustainable Banking campaign. Details: Yes Bank launched a sustainability focused campaign promoting green loans and environmental awareness, resonating with environmentally conscious customers. The campaign led to a 15% increase in eco loan inquiries, showing the effectiveness of cause-based marketing. Merger, Mergers and acquisition in banking. Bank of Baroda, Dena Bank and Vijaya Bank merger. Summary: This merger aimed to create a stronger and more competitive entity. The banks focused on integrating systems, aligning HR policies and expanding services post-merger. The case demonstrates the challenges and benefits of consolidation in the banking sector to enhance operational strength and service coverage. Kotak Mahindra post-acquisition integration of ING Vyasa Bank. Detailed insights: Kotak's acquisition strategy involved harmonizing systems and branch operations with ING Vyasa, aligning HR policies and retraining staff to adapt to Kotak's customer service ethos. Post-integration, Kotak used ING's southern market presence to grow its footprint in South India. This case study shows how post-acquisition strategies, including HR alignment and regional expansion, can drive growth and improve service delivery. Technological innovation and cyber security. Axis Bank implementing biometric security in ATMs. Summary: Axis Bank rolled out biometric authentication in selected ATMs, requiring fingerprint verification for transactions. This increased security and reduced ATM fraud incidents. This case study shows how biometric technology can strengthen banking security and enhance customer confidence. HDFC Bank Incident Response and Cybersecurity Training. Detailed insights: HDFC Bank developed a cybersecurity response team to monitor potential breaches and respond quickly. They also conduct regular cybersecurity training for all employees and simulate cyber attacks to test the bank's readiness. This case illustrates the importance of having dedicated cybersecurity strategy that not only relies on technology but also on continuous training and preparedness. SBI Advanced Fraud Detection System. Details: SBI deployed a fraud detection system based on AI and machine learning which flagged suspicious transactions and prevented cyber attacks. This system reduced fraud incidents by 40%, highlighting how technology strengthens fraud prevention. IndusInd Bank implementation of blockchain for trade finance. Details: IndusInd Bank adopted blockchain for trade finance to improve transaction transparency and security by reducing transaction delays and costs. IndusInd provided a smoother experience for trade finance customers. This case study shows blockchain's benefits in high-value transactions. Thank you very much for your patience.